So a little explanation of what happened. This is not my brother's drone. I actually found this early on in bean harvest. I was running along, I saw it just in time, stopped. It's down in the dirt a little bit. And I thought, sweet, I found a drone. And so I brought it home and I'm checking things out, and I thought, well, I'll pull the memory card out of it and maybe I can figure out who this belonged to, seeing the video. And couldn't find where the memory card goes, looked it up online, and finally discovered that the camera kind of clips on here, and that also has the antenna and all the brains for it. So it wasn't too far from a hedgerow, so my guess is someone didn't have it snapped in there good. It hit a tree or something, the camera and the brains fell out, and down this went into the beans. So there went my dreams of a free drone. I brought it home, as I said, and plugged it in. Where's the power button? And as you can see, at first it didn't light up because the battery's dead. I plugged it in. There's a USB port, charged it up, but without the rest of it, it just doesn't do anything. Looked online, and this is about an $80 drone you can get at Walmart or someplace like that. There is an H right there in the middle. I've determined that this is the Hoyt-Clagwell of drones. It just seems like a poor design to have the brains be separated from the rest of it. Although I know some people like that, so so much for my free drone. But it'll be good for demonstration because unfortunately, what I'm about to explain, the drone did not record for whatever reason. So we have the nice Lego combine here, and I can lower the head down. I'm running beans. And just after that scene you saw, and things are not to scale, in case you were wondering, but the drone comes around, I'm running, and I look up, notice it's right in front of the cab, flying there. I figure my brother's piloting it. Little do I realize he's got it in the autopilot mode. And as I'm coming forward, it just keeps getting closer. And so I stop, and then it just keeps coming. And I pull back on the stick and start backing up, but it didn't matter because it flew right into the cab like this and then fell right down into the head right in there. Fortunately, I was quick on the switch, shut everything off. It had just made it to the center section here where the fingers were about to throw it into the feeder house. All he lost was one prop off from it. Memory card was fine. It replaced the prop and it worked. So he got really lucky. Like I say, it wasn't this drone. His is a little bit nicer than this Hoyt-Clagwell model. But that's what happened. It was that close to going right on through. Hopefully we would have found the memory chip out the back side because I don't think there would have been much left, but it that ended the recording session for the night. We got out, picked it out, and found all the pieces of the drone, and I went back to running, but as you can see, it was pretty much sunset. The dew started coming down right after that, so kind of finished opening up the headlands. The combine was full and by then, and that was enough for that day. But I just thought I just had to explain that, what all happened, and my free drone. Maybe I should like have a giveaway. Free drone. It has no brains. So that's right, Hoyt-Clagwell, the finest in drone technology, or at least the cheapest. So that's what I got for this episode. I want to thank William Richards for coming out back in June and recording that flyover. I've got more footage from him that I'll probably incorporate in other videos in the future. My brother for coming out and doing this and trying to feed the drone to the combine. And everybody, I'd like to thank you for watching. So that's it for this one. We will see you in the next one. Thanks again.